I was with FabFitFun from the beginning and I was amazed at their growth.
It's really great for brand awareness, getting into the hands of customers who had not heard about us from traditional retail stores or just online marketing.
They do the marketing for you. They get the word out for you. It's the advertising that you would need as a brand for the people that would want your product.
And to have 600,000 people try your product is, a very cool moment as a brand.
In the first 3 months, we saw an increase in sales of 600 to 1,200%.
What was really great is that they didn't just come back and buy another scrub. Over 35% of them experienced or tried other products and helped us to grow our business overall.
At the end of the campaign, FabFitFun provided us with a wrap-up, and it was very interesting. We found out that 97% of FabFitFun customers had not heard of my tagalongs before, and that an equally high percentage would buy from us again.
The feedback on the fragrance that we added in the box was just incredible, and it's really solidified that particular fragrance as one of our top sellers.
We saw a huge growth in our social media platforms. We had 200 followers, and after the campaign we had over 2,000 followers.
They developed so much quality content. Their imagery is beautiful. Their stylized photography is beautiful. We can repost it on our channels. We can include it in our email outreach to our customer base.
Website visits, we almost doubled, and for a certain time we almost tripled.
Some of the media company reached out to us, write stories about our brand because they learned our brand through FabFitFun.
FabFitFun really makes it not only affordable, but also makes it a great opportunity for small brand owners to really get their product out to as many people as possible.
Working with the team was super easy. They really support you in terms of having you go on Facebook Live and all these different exposure channels where you can continue to grow your brand.
Overall, we're thrilled with the relationship. It's made a huge difference in our business. It has been an amazing working relationship, and I couldn't ask for anything more.